The Ortho Nebraska Halftime Show, sponsored by Ortho Nebraska, making it easy to find answers to your pain or injury. Just click, call, text, or walk in. 41-0 at halftime. Millard West leads Omaha Burke. Earlier today, our good friends from Ortho Nebraska stopped by to say hello to Bill Steckes.
Yeah, guys, we always learn something new when we talk to the doctors at Ortho Nebraska. We've got Dr. Matthew Dilisio with us now, and we're going to talk about shoulder injuries. We hear about separations and dislocations. What's the difference?
That's a great question. So shoulder separations are traditionally referred to when you injure your acromioclavicular joint. So that's where your clavicle meets your shoulder blade. You can tear these ligaments, and that can ultimately pop up your clavicle. When we talk about shoulder dislocations, that's when the ball ultimately comes out of the socket. These are the ones that generally need to be put back in, either on the field, on the sideline, training room, sometimes even the ER or operating room.
And what are the treatment options?
Well, tonight we're talking about shoulder separations. So with these AC joint injuries or shoulder separations, if you have lower grade injuries where the ligaments are not completely torn and there's not a big bump or deformity on the shoulder, we can treat those without surgery. We let them heal. A lot of time the players can go back within a week or two, sometimes even the same game for the lower grade separations. For the more severe ones, when the clavicle is completely torn out of its attachments where the ligaments are, those sometimes require surgery with graft reconstruction, synonymous to ACL reconstructions and other things that we do.
Yeah, so a lot going on there. And so if you think maybe you have a shoulder separation, what should you do?
Well, if you have a lower grade separation and you don't have a significant deformity, I'd ice it, try some anti-inflammatories for a couple days. If it's still bothering you, then you should come see us. If you have any type of deformity at all or there's any question, you should come in and see us right away so we can get you headed in the right track.
All right, Ortho Nebraska, always there for you, including on Saturday mornings from 8 to 10. We hope you don't need it, but if you do, they're there open at the Oakview location, guys.
Thank you to our good friends at Ortho Nebraska. Millard West up big at the break on Woodhouse Thursday Night Lights, presented by SOS Heating and Cooling.